Look at this crazy wallet, guys. More than $7 million made all just from launching Memecoins, guys. So stay tuned to see how I actually do it. What's up, guys? Today I'm breaking down how I actually approach Memecoins because it's very different from what most people are doing. I'm not sitting in the trenches trading all day. Instead, I focus on launching Memecoins myself and cashing out whenever I want. This strategy has made me significantly more money than trading ever did, yet it's still heavily overlooked. Most people lose money in meme coins because they only trade them, jumping into coins, hoping for quick gains, only to get dumped on by the original creator. Look, all the meme coins, they follow the same pattern. They get pumped, they get dumped. I'm going to show you another one here. For example, let's take this one, they get pumped, and they get dumped. That's how most people are actually losing their money while trading meme coin, guys. That's why the real move is to stop trading and start launching these meme coins. When you launch your own coin, you minimize risk and maximize upside because creating a token costs virtually nothing and every buy flows directly to you. The process is simple. You deploy a token, you let organic buyers come in, and once volume and market cap rise, you cash out and repeat, guys. Super easy. And instead of using overcrowded platforms like Pump.Fun, where liquidity and fees are taken and success depends mostly on luck, I use launchpads that deploy directly to Raydium for instant exposure and trading, guys. Quick disclaimer, guys, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Thank you. One of the launchpads I'm actually using is mintrush.fun. Here you can either create your own original meme coin. So for example, you know what happened at the beginning of the year? The president of Venezuela got kidnapped. If you had an idea of creating a meme coin around that, what you could have done, you could have went on mintrush.fun, just create a Maduro coin here. You call it Maduro, whatever. The same thing for the symbol. You write a funny description, and here you would have just pasted the picture of him, and you could have launched a meme coin directly from here. All right, guys. But the thing with this method, guys, is that it's not as successful. It's not as good as copying coins that are already trending, guys. By copying what's already hot, launching instantly, and adding liquidity, letting volume come in, you can generate real profits within minutes. Let me show you how it works. So here, this is the copy trading coin tab. You have all the coins that are trending right now on Pump.Fun. You can just click on them. Most of them are coins that have been created in less than like 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. And here you also have the graduated tab where you have all the coins that graduated in the last 24 hours on Pump.Fun. So you make your choice here. Personally, sometimes I go for trending coins, sometimes I go for graduated coins. Really depends on what you're trying to do right now. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to choose a trending coin here. So let's take, for example, this coin, Mold City. What you would do, guys, you would just click on the Create Coin button here. Super easy. Proceed anyway. Confirm. Yes, understand. Confirm. And boom, guys. Just like that, the token has been successfully created. All right. So the next step would actually be creating the liquidity pool for your token. So it can actually be traded on platforms like Raydium. So just to show you that the coin has actually been created, we can go in the Explorer here. So this is our coin. Look, same address, same everything. Just gotta wait a little bit for the picture to show up here on the Solana Explorer. Our coin has been successfully created, guys. All right. So now you just close this. You go on the Create Liquidity tab here. You choose the token you just created. So where is it? Mold City. This token here. So here, I would advise you to put around like starting balance, something like 0.5, 0.6 SOL. So I'm going to put like 0.6 SOL in the liquidity pool. And here, just click on 90%. That's the amount of your tokens that are going to be actually available in the liquidity pool to be traded. Then you just click on Create Pool and Add Liquidity. Proceed anyway. Confirm. And look, guys, this is actually gonna create our liquidity pool. So you just click on confirm. And boom, guys, just like that, our liquidity pool has been successfully created, guys. So the next step now is just waiting for a liquidity pool to appear. It takes a couple minutes, to appear on the website. Just wait for a couple minutes, 3, 4 minutes, something like that. Then I'll show you how it looks, and I'll show you the next steps where we're actually going to be starting to make money, guys. So look, guys, this is what our coin is looking like. So that's the liquidity pool. So you can just view it on Axiom, view your coin on Axiom. That's what we're going to do. So here, guys, that's our coin on Axiom. So, a lot of buys, a lot of sell, a lot of volume right now. So yeah, that's crazy, guys. Look, a lot of volume. We're already like 30K market cap. So I think it's the moment to start cashing out. So I'm going to show you how you actually cash out with this method, guys. So look, guys, after refreshing, that's what our liquidity pool is actually looking like right now, which is, completely crazy. So next step, guys, would be to click on the remove button here. Here you would select the 100%, depends. You can select 50%, depends on how much you want to take out of the liquidity pool. So for example, for the sake of the video, I'm going to show you 100%. So you click on remove here. So here, guys, look at this transaction. So if actually you confirm this transaction, I'm going to receive back 12.589 Sol back in my wallet, which is completely insane, guys. So I'm not really going to do it on the video, but if you decide to take out your liquidity pool after a successful launch, you would be making around 10 to 15 Sol per launch, which is absolutely crazy, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and take care.